In this video, we are going to go over how to find where you're at if you're in a very, very complex part and you're having issues restarting. Maybe your tip went bad, vice versa. You're trying to restart in the middle of this. This is very complicated, but also very easy to figure out. So I will then take my machine and drive it over where I left off. And I can visually see on my plate that essentially this one right here is my problem. So I'm going to drive it over right there. Now I'm going to find out in my G code, right, because this has a lot of lines of G code. It'd be hard to find out where you're at. It has 24,000 lines of G code. I'm going to select this line. I click on it. It will then highlight in the G code where it's located, right here. Now I can then, if I already cut this out, or maybe I just need to finish cutting just a little bit of it, I can then go to the M5 before, run from line, disable torch, M5, run from line, and then enable my torch when need be, and you're back up and running. So it's very, very simple to find out where you left off, even on a complex part. Do not ever change your 0, 0 location via the 0x and 0y button. Once you lose that location, it's going to be very, very hard to get it back. Almost impossible, as you just lost your work offset.